While the public is implored to remain vigilant about social distancing and be patient with strict rules, it seems Thailand's top health official and his gang forgot that it applies to them as well. This is the same Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul who blamed dirty Caucasian tourists, aka Farang, for infecting Thailand with COVID-19. He pretty much said the following back in March the 12th. Quote, 90% of Thais are wearing masks. However, none of the Caucasians are wearing masks. This is the reason our country is being infected. We should be more careful of the Caucasians than Asians. And he used some explicits as well, basically using the F-bomb to describe white Farangs in Thailand who don't wear masks. But isn't it funny how the same health minister does not follow the same rules? Public anger was stoked anew yesterday by photos showing Public Health Minister Anutin Charnvirakul, sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, who withdrew early in the pandemic after putting his foot in his mouth too many times, dining with other officials without the social distancing or tacky plastic barriers the common folk, aka us, the common people, have been asked to endure. Quote, they kept telling citizens to stay at home, and we obey. I haven't taken my mother and child anywhere for almost 3 months now, and these pics make me feel really bad, said Juangden Nurumrun Cherdchu. Actually, he wrote that. Post calling attention to the photos identified them as being taken on May 20th, not long after restaurants were allowed to reopen under strict rules. They had been posted by a restaurant expressing gratitude towards the minister and have since been deleted. Very convenient for them. Anatun could not be reached by phone Thursday and has not responded publicly to the controversy. Quote, can I throw these photos in Tawi Slip's face? Facebook Visanu Uputamfan said, referring to Tawi Slip's I can't even pronounce these names, guys, who admonishes the public for its behavior daily as spokesman for the COVID-19 task force. Apologies to all the Thai people out there if I completely bastardize your pronunciation. Tawi Slilps on Thursday reported a surge of 17 new confirmed cases of COVID-19, though all were said to have been found in Thais in quarantine after returning from overseas. All newly detected infections in the past 2 weeks have been found in Thais returning home under a government-backed repatriation program. Some saw the images of health officials dining casually by the sea as evidence that social control measures, including the ongoing state of emergency, are not about health concerns. I've been saying it from day one. It's all about limiting our rights and imposing more government restrictions while completely bankrupting small business right around the world. It was never about the virus, guys. That's my personal opinion. Quote, that's what we have been suspecting, that they are afraid of mobs, not COVID. User Afisit Sansofa said, quote, when we pressure them, they cry and ask for sympathy. When we give them a chance, they do the same, end quote. The photos were published to a Facebook group yesterday in a post that asked whether the health minister and friends were acting as role models. Great role models. Quote, setting a good example is important because what we express is from what we have learned since we were kids, a page admin wrote. Quote, if the teachers don't do it, it means that the things they teach are not important. Anutin rose to his position after last year's election as head of the Bhumjai Thai party, a key member of the ruling coalition. Seen as a promising reformer due to his championing of medical cannabis and other policies, his star dimmed as he racked up controversies, including a number of offensive comments. In February, and I already mentioned this before, he was forced to apologize after saying effing Farangs should be kicked out of the kingdom for not wearing masks and blaming healthcare workers for becoming infected in late March. He was blamed for the administration's early stumbles in responding to the pandemic and deactivated his Facebook account after declaring major policies that didn't come to pass. So there you have it, guys. One rule for thee, but not for me. Hee hee. So that's what's going on. Obviously, the health minister in Thailand is not following his own advice and not taking his own medicine. What do you all feel about this story? Leave your comments below, because this is just quite interesting. Coming from this Thai health minister who was blasting Caucasian, aka white Farangs, for not wearing masks like good little people that should in other parts of Asia. So yeah, anyway guys, let me know what you think.
Drop the bass, Kitty.
And if you want to protect your online privacy and help my channel out at the same time, visit drivenanddesire.com/NordVPN.